Hello, I'm Lawrence Hawkins with NASA's Office of Inspector General, and I'm here to discuss our review of NASA's efforts to develop the software it will use to launch the Space Launch System, Orion Multipurpose Crew Vehicle, and other next-generation rockets and spacecraft from the Kennedy Space Center. Known as the Spaceport Command and Control System, the software will control pumps, motors, valves, and power supplies and other ground equipment, monitor the health and status of spacecraft as they prepare for launch, and record and retrieve data before and during launch. NASA has experienced difficulties with similar large, complex software development efforts in the past. For example, between 1995 and 2002, the agency spent more than $500 million on two separate attempts to update command and control software at Kennedy. Both efforts failed to meet their objectives and were substantially scaled back or canceled prior to completion. We found NASA's current development effort has significantly exceeded initial costs and schedule estimates. Compared to 2012 projections, costs have increased approximately 76%, and release of a fully operational version of the software slipped by 14 months. Moreover, several planned capabilities have been deferred, including the ability to automatically detect the cause of equipment and system failures. Without this information, it will be more difficult for controllers and engineers to quickly diagnose and resolve issues. The root of these largely results from how NASA implemented the June 2006 decision to integrate multiple products, or in some cases, parts of the products, rather than developing software in-house or buying an off-the-shelf product. Writing computer code to glue together these disparate products has turned out to be more complex and expensive than anticipated. As of January 2016, agency personnel had developed 2.5 million lines of glueware, with 2 more years of development activity planned. In comparison, NASA re-engineered the Hubble Space Telescope command and control system with approximately 500,000 lines of glueware code. NASA made its decision regarding the software development effort nearly 10 years ago, but in our view, this approach may no longer be the most prudent course of action given significant advances in commercial command and control software over that time. Accordingly, we recommended NASA commission an independent assessment to evaluate the status of the development effort and determine the steps necessary to reduce the risk of further cost, schedule, and performance issues, including consideration of acquiring commercial command and control software to replace some or all of the system currently under development. To read the full report, please visit our website at oig.nasa.gov.